In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit About Phone section at the bottom. Now select Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you want to, like Sunny. Finally, hit Done at the bottom right corner of your pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!